If you want to know how to rotate objects in Tinkercad, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to rotate any shape, how to use the rotation handles, how to get snapping angles for faster alignment, and how to enter a precise angle manually when you need total control. This is one of those simple Tinkercad skills that makes a huge difference when you're designing clean, accurate models. So if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Tinkercad project and select the object you want to rotate by clicking on it. Once the object is selected, you'll see curved double arrow rotation handles appear around it. These handles are what you'll use to turn the object in different directions. If you want to rotate the object flat on the workplane, look for the rotation handles on the base of the object. These control horizontal rotation, which means the object will spin parallel to the surface it's sitting on. This is especially useful when you want to turn a shape left or right without changing its upright position. If you need to rotate the object vertically or on its side, use the handles that appear on the sides of the object. These side handles let you change the orientation of the model so you can tilt it forward, backward, or rotate it upright in a different direction. This is helpful when combining multiple parts or fitting shapes together in a custom design. To rotate the object, simply click and drag the handle in the direction you want. As you move the mouse, you'll see the object turning in real time, so you can visually line it up the way you want. Now here's a really useful tip. If you drag your mouse inside the circle of the rotation handle, Tinkercad will snap the rotation to specific angle increments, usually 22.5 degrees or 45 degrees. This is great when you want quick, clean alignment without having to estimate the angle yourself. If you need a more exact adjustment, move your mouse further away from the center of the handle. This switches the rotation into finer control, usually in 1-degree increments. That gives you much more precision, which is ideal for detailed models, or when you need parts to match perfectly. And if you want exact accuracy, Tinkercad also lets you type the angle manually. After clicking the rotation handle, you'll see a numerical value box appear next to it. Click that box and enter the specific angle you want. This is the best method when you already know the exact degree and don't want to rely on dragging at all. So to quickly review, select the object, find the curved rotation handles, use the base handles for flat rotation, use the side handles for vertical rotation, drag to rotate, use snapping for faster angle changes, use fine control for precision, and type in a number for exact manual rotation. Once you get used to these controls, rotating objects in Tinkercad becomes fast and easy. It's a small tool, but it can save you a lot of time and help you build much more accurate designs. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tinkercad guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.